Hey YouTubes! So some of my subscribers have been wondering if I have any ticking noises from my 475 cam from S&S. Apparently some people are experiencing that. So I'm going to give a brief demonstration of what my valve train sounds like. Hopefully I can catch it good on the camera phone. So my valve train is actually very quiet. I don't have any ticking noises. It's even more quiet than it is from the factory. Go around the front, the other side real quick. Alright guys, I hope that helps clear up some answers. If you're getting ticking noises in the valve train, then there's something wrong. S&S cams on a 114 with the S&S lifters are actually very quiet, so hope that helps.